Let's create a monster radical expression, starting with a simple building block, 1 over the square root of 1 plus the square root of 2. We'll add to that the same thing, except increase each number under the square root by 1, giving us 1 over the square root of 2 plus the square root of 3 for the second term. We'll add a third term the exact same way, giving us 1 over the square root of 3 plus the square root of 4. And now let's keep going, repeating this process 2,020 times, finishing with the last term equal to 1 over the square root of 2020 plus the square root of 2021. The question is, what does this monster expression simplify to? Before I reveal the solution, pause the video and see if you can find the trick that simplifies this expression almost instantly. We'll start at the first term and rewrite it in a more general form in terms of k, since every term fits this same pattern. Now comes the trick. We'll multiply top and bottom by the conjugate of the denominator. In effect, this is just multiplying by 1, so it does not alter the value of our expression, but it does alter its form in a really nice way. That's because the radicals are eliminated from the denominator after multiplying, and we're left with this. The denominator simplifies to -1, and when we multiply top and bottom by -1, we get the following expression. And this is the general form of each term, only much simpler now. Let's plug in the values for our original expression. For our first term, we can rewrite it as the square root of 2 minus the square root of 1. And now we can keep going all the way to the 2020th term, which will end with the square root of 2021 minus the square root of 2020. Watch how all the square roots will cancel through a chain reaction, except negative square root of 1 and the square root of 2021. It's especially satisfying to know we were able to cancel that pesky square root of 2020. So, the two surviving terms were negative square root of 1 and the square root of 2021. A beautiful example of a telescoping series. And this is our final answer. I hope 2021 has been a great year for you too. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and consider subscribing. Also, I'd love to get your feedback in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you soon.